the last digit is 02468. That's the divisibility rule of 2. So has vampire joined? No. Ma'am, please check on vampire. Has sweet guy joined? Please check on vampire and sweet guy. Rest everyone is here.
Sir?
Yes, sir?
Sweets guy's mother is gone somewhere. I think so that's why he didn't join.
Oh. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? Raise your hands. Who remembers it? Kitten, keep your camera on. What is the divisibility rule of 3?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Sir, if the last two numbers are added and are divisible by 3.
No. Anyone else wants to give the answer of divisibility rule of 3? Anyone else remembers? Everyone has forgotten. Great.
Sir, if we add
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the same we have divisibility rule of 9. Everyone must remember divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Let me give you one example. Now you all will give me if it is divisible by 3 and 9 both. You can write yes or no. पहले आप 3 का check करोगे, then आप 9 का check करोगे. So check divisibility by 3 and 9. तो आप chat में क्या भेजोगे? जैसे it is divisible by both 3 and 9, you will send YY. If it is divisible by just 9 and not 3, तो you will get NY. किसी से divisible नहीं है तो NN. So you will send your answer like this in the chat. So how much time do we need? 1 minute. शनाया आपको समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you sent your answer also. Good. So Shania is correct. And Kiwi is correct. Guys, don't send to me. Sweet guy also has joined.
Sir, what do we have to do? Vampire just
You have to check divisibility by 3 and 9 of 20,532. केवल आप YN या NN या YY ऐसे भेज दो चैट में.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sweets are my favorite. Very good morning to you. I just had my breakfast.
Sora said. Sir, what do we have to do?
So guys, we have to check divisibility by 3 and 9. So again, what I will do is I will do the sum of the digits. So kitten, 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. What is the total?
12.
12. So is 12 divisible by 3? Yes or no?
Yes.
So because 12 is divisible by 3, तो पूरा number 20,532 is divisible by 20532 is divisible by 3. But is 12 divisible by 9?
No.
So no. Then 20,532 is not divisible by 9. तो WJ समझ आ गया.
Yes, sir.
And cookie, air, cupcake, smiley, understood?
Yes. Explain one more time.
But I just added the digits. When I added the digits, I got 12. Then I have to check 12 3 के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं आता. तो 12 3 के टेबल में आता है. So this is divisible by 3. Then I checked कि 12 9 के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं आता. Because 9 के टेबल में नहीं आता, then it is not divisible by 9.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, divisibility rule of 4. Who remembers?
Sir, can I? Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir,
No, no, not you, not you. You got one chance. Sweets are my favorite. आप बोलो. आपने रेज हैंड किया था. Air, you speak.
sir, when the last two digit, when the sum of the last two
No, wrong,
digits
wrong,
is
wrong, wrong,
divisible by 4.
wrong, wrong, wrong.
Sir, I remember.
Yes, sweet guy.
Sir, if the last two digits are 0,
If the last two digits are
0,
no, if the last two digits are divisible by 4 or are 0, 0. If the last two digits are divisible by 4 or are 0, 0. Shaira, you are not looking at the screen. For example, 75,132. Now guys, 32 comes in the table of 4. So this number is divisible by 4. So who will speak the divisibility rule of 8? Janaya beta, what are you writing?
sir, I'm writing the divisibility rules so that
No
I
beta,
can
don't write.
revise.
I will share in the group. Abhi aap likho mat. So anyone remembers? No. So जैसे 4 का होता है last 2 digits, 8 का होता है last 3 digits. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or are 0, 0, 0. समझ आ गया guys? Yes
Yes,
or no
sir.
kids? So divisibility rule of 8, if last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or are 0, 0. Chanaya beta mat likho na please. Just understand now. So 1, 0, for example 1, 0, 0, 9, 6. अब guys last 3 digits देखो आप. 96 is divisible by 8 or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes, it is. 8 tens are 80, 8 elevens are 88, 8 twelves are 96. So therefore 10,096 is also divisible by 8. Sometimes 3 digits को आपको divide करके check करना पड़ेगा. मैं एक और example देता हूँ. Suppose I give you 10,000 and 176. Again, आप डायरेक्टली देख के बता नहीं सकते कि ये डिविजिबल है कि नहीं, बट इट इज डिविजिबल. So then 176 is divisible by 8 because you get the remainder 0. So that's why 10,176 is divisible by 8. Next is divisibility rule of 6. Of 5 करते हैं पहले, 5 और 10 easy हैं. Then we will go to 6 and 11. So who wants to speak the divisibility rule of 5? Yes, Kiwi.
Sir, if the last digit is 0 or 5,
Last digit is 0 or 5. बहुत easy है, सबसे easy divisibility rule of 5 and 10. Next, who wants to speak the divisibility rule of 10? So Devam. Devam. Devam.
Yes, sir.
Divisibility rule of 10.
Sir,
Teri.
last digit is 0.
Yes, you are lucky. Last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Now there are two more divisibility rules that we did not do before. This you all have to memorize. Divisibility rule of 6. So 6 का रूल बहुत स्पेशल होता है और 11 का बहुत स्पेशल होता है. इट्स क्वाइट डिफरेंट. 6 का होता है, ओए कुकी बेटा, कुकी लोअर डाउन योर कैमरा.
Sir.
बेटा मम्मा इज नॉट एट होम.
Sir, she is.
So beta, then why are you pointing the camera towards your forehead? थोड़ा सा और down कर लो. I should be able to see you completely. And then you are writing something in your notebook. So फिर आपने mute कर लिया. Don't do that, beta. Show me what you were writing. Were you drawing something?
No, sir.
Then what were you doing?
Sir, I was putting glue on my hand.
What were you doing?
I was putting glue.
Beta, don't do all that during the class.
Okay, sir.
So divisibility rule of 6 is if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, अगर वो 2 और 3 दोनों के टेबल में आएगा तभी 6 से डिविजिबल होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Sir,
लेट मी टेक, यस 6
sir,
7 1. यस बोलो.
सर दोनों के अंदर आना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि वो नंबर सिर्फ 2 के टेबल में आ रहा है और
नो
3 के ना
बेटा,
आ
नो.
रहा है.
नो नो, ऐसा नहीं हो
दोनों
सकता.
में आना चाहिए.
यस. फॉर
Okay.
एग्जाम्पल 60042. So who will tell me if this number is, Cupcake will tell me if this number is divisible by 3 or not.
So can I do it and tell? So it is divisible by 3.
It is divisible by 3. Cookie, is it divisible by 2 or not?
So it is.
It is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Why from 3? Because 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12, and again 12 comes in the. So because it is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, it is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6.
Sir, I just wanted to ask, जैसे हमें we have to plus the numbers and then we have to find out that does that come in the table of 2 and 3?
Yes, you have to plus the number and then you have to find out if that number comes in the table of.
Sir,
Yes.
a question.
Yes. So I am giving you a number. You have to check divisibility by, let me write. The number is 3432. So you have to check divisibility by 3, 4, 6, 8 and 9. अगेन आप मुझे अगर सबसे डिविजिबल है तो y y n y, जिससे डिविजिबल है उसके लिए n भेज दो इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. First you have to send for 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 9 in the correct order. अगर 9 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो n लिख दो आप 9 की जगह, लास्ट वन विल बिकम 9. तो जिससे डिविजिबल है दैट यू हैव टू सी. I am giving you 3 minutes. You have to check divisibility by 3 also, 4 also, 6 also, 8 also, 9 also.
So we have to send in one answer.
Yes बेटा, तभी तो मैंने बोला y y n n
Okay.
y n y ऐसे
Sir, I
करके भी.
forgot the divisibility rule of 3.
3 इज बेटा अभी मैंने बताया सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. आप ऐड कर लेते हो.
Sir, I was not able to understand the divisibility rule of 8 and 9.
बेटा देन यू वेट. 9 का इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक 3. सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 9.
Sir,
And 8 का it's exactly like 4. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. अब उसमें समझने का कुछ नहीं है. You have to remember it.
Sir, I again forgot 3. What was it?
Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3.
Some of the last two digits.
अरे बेटा sum of the last नहीं, sum of the digits, sum of the digits.
So we just add on that. Those are all divisible. I mean, those are all above because it equals to 12.
I don't know WJ. I want you to do this question and send the answer. If you have not understood, then you can skip that answer or you can, just wait.
No, so the divisibility rule of 4 is मतलब कि जैसे the
Last
last
two
3
digits should be divisible by 4.
So okay.
Yes.
For the number 3432.
Yes.
That's literally all I can send. And I'm gonna get all of them wrong.
So only 1 minute is left. Let's see if anyone was paying that much attention. I think ballerina was. Sweet eater beta, the camera should point at you. Mr. Sweet Eater.
Sir, what do we have to send it?
बेटा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन लिखा है 3432. आपको डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करनी है 3 से 4 से 6 से 8 से 9 से.
Sir, can you tell the divisibility rule I just got disconnected, so sir, can you give 1 minute again?
I'm giving 1 more minute.
Sir, can you please tell the divisibility rule of 9? I forgot it.
Sum of the digits बेटा 3 और 9 का सेम होता है. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9.
Okay. Sir, I did a typing mistake.
You
Sir,
probably
now I
the
see.
kids are there.
Sir, can you add more time? 1 more minute.
But I will add, but you are taking advantage
Sir,
of my sweetness.
sir, I have done till 6.
Just send. Don't talk first, send. Quickly send.
Sir, I have corrected and sent to Ragini ma'am again.
No बेटा no, don't correct. Yes or no में कोई correction नहीं हो सकता है ना.
सर क्योंकि मैंने गलती से टाइपिंग
नहीं
मिस्टेक कर दिया
गलती से
था.
कुछ भी हुआ हो then you have to wait.
ओके सर.
So cookie, ballerina, Sudhi, sweet guy, vampire.
Sir, what was the divisibility rule of 8?
Last three digits should be divisible by 8.
Sir, can you add one more?
Yes.
You know, Sifunani is at my home.
No, I don't know that, Peter.
Sir, who is Sipunani?
My sister.
So cookie, Sudhi, and sweet guy, time up. Answer भेजो.
Sir, one more minute.
No.
No बेटा, no one more minute. Sudhi आपने भी नहीं भेजा. And cookie, बेटा आप unmute रखो आज के लिए, है ना? Again बेटा, you are doing the same thing, not paying attention. Where is my answer?
Sir, I'm on 8. Sir,
Tyra, where is my answer बेटा?
sir, I have sent how
अरे
much
बेटा
I
रुक जाओ ना, रुक जाओ सुबीर. शायरा, where is my answer?
So I'm writing.
नहीं बेटा आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. Where is your mom बेटा? Why are you not paying attention? I gave you 4 minutes for such easy question. आपने किया ही नहीं है. आपने 3 से किया. Is it divisible by 3? Yes or no?
Sir, I got this.
Okay, Shanaya. Shaira, I'm asking you, is this number divisible by 3? Yes or no? आपने solve किया कि नहीं किया?
Yes, sir.
Is it divisible by 3 or not?
Sir, it is.
How do you know it is divisible by 3?
Sir, because it is
See, Shaira, there are two things I can happen. Either I can remove you from the
The
meeting
rule of
because you're
9.
not paying attention, or I can talk to your mom about it.
Sir,
I
what
don't
was
like this. आप क्लास में हो तो you must concentrate. I warned you before also.
Sir, what was the divisibility rule of 9?
Where is your mom, Shaira?
sir at her room.
So divisibility, everyone is doing, everyone is asking, only you are the person who was not doing. Sudhi, what is the divisibility rule of 3?
Sir, what is the divisibility rule of 9?
Sir, the divisibility number is if any number comes at is divisible of 3 or 9.
बेटा
It is
divisible
divisible
by
of 3.
divisibility rule of 3 और 9 होता है sum of the digits. तो मुझे 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 करना है. I will get 12. तो sum of the digits. अब देखो 12 3 के टेबल में आता है. Yes, so it is divisible by 3. Next, air, what is the divisibility rule of 4?
Sir, when the last two digits
अब बताओ
are
last two digits 4 के टेबल में आते हैं.
yes, sir.
So it is divisible by 4 also. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 6? Shanaya, Shanaya, unmute रखो please. Shanaya and Smiley, what is the divisibility rule of 6?
Sir, if the any number is if the
Sir,
the
if
number
the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then
अगर both 2 and 3 से होगा तो वो 6 से divisible होगा. 3 से तो है ही, 2 से it's even, so it is divisible by 6. 9 से it is not divisible. What's the reason? Because 12 is not divisible by 9. अब 8 से मुझे divide करके check करना पड़ेगा. I will divide the last 3 digits to check. So 8 5s are 40 and remainder will be 3 and 2 will fall down. 8 4s are 32. So then this number is divisible by 8 also. So my answer would be 3, 4, 6 and 10, 8. So my answer will be yes, Y, and N. Everyone understood this? So ballerina will get the kidzo for free. Now guys, we will revise the rules once again. Then we will do of 11 also. So divisibility rule of 2. I think 11 हम next class में करते हैं. So divisibility rule of 2. So I will ask one by one. So who wants to answer this? Raise your hand. So I will ask from Cupcake.
Yes, so
Divisibility rule of 2.
it is divisible 0, 4, 8, 6.
No, beta, if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, या फिर number even. If the number is even or it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So Cupcake, one more for you. What is the divisibility rule of 3?
If it is divisible by 3.
तो बेटा ये तो हो ही गया ना, मैं रूल पूछ रहा हूँ. डिवाइड करके तो पता चल ही जाएगा.
If
What
it
is
is if it is divisible by 3.
नहीं बेटा, फिर तो मैं पूरे नंबर को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. So WJ, what is the divisibility rule of 3? Shanaya, beta, don't write. Pen down and mic on. Shanaya, mic on रखो. So vampire, what is the divisibility rule of 3?
Yes, sir.
What is the divisibility rule of 3?
Sir, the divisibility rule of 3.
No, beta, you don't know. I will ask from unmute रखो vampire आप भी.
Again.
I will ask from
Sir, सुनो.
Shaira.
Sir,
बेटा मुझे extra words नहीं चाहिए, just the answer. I asked you a question, just the answer. If you know, you say it. If you don't know, I'll give the chance to someone else.
I don't know.
Bas, that's it.
Sir, can I?
Piraya,
Yes, so
divisibility rule of 3.
sir, can it? If it is
No. WJ, divisibility rule of 3.
Sir, if the last digit.
No, wrong. So if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, guys, कितनी बार बताऊं 3 में sum करना है, sum of the digits. So those who got it wrong, speak 5 times. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, speak 5 times.
Sir, I wanted to answer.
Yes, sir.
Speak 5 times. No, but I will give chance by myself. I'm seeing who is understanding and who is not. शनाया फिर लिख रहे हो बेटा, आप बात नहीं सुनते ना. आपको बात नहीं टीचर की माननी. मैंने आपको बोला लिखना नहीं है बेटा अभी. I will share the rules. You are not understanding. Concentrate on the class. Don't make me repeat myself again. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? Once again, speak 5 times. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, speak 5 times. शनाया, शायरा, मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही है. मिराया, I should hear. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Shania, you are not speaking. Shania will now speak individually 5 times. Shania, speak karo.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3.
शनाया, 3 के सिमिलर किसका डिविजिबिलिटी रूल होता है? 3 से सिमिलर मिराया, 3 से सिमिलर किसका डिविजिबिलिटी रूल होता है? मिराया एंड वैम्पायर
9.
9. So if the sum of 9 का भी सेम होता है, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. चलो next. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Yes, share.
Sir, if the last two digits are 0 or 4.
If the last 2 digits are 0 or divisible by 4, 4 नहीं होने चाहिए, और divisible by 4 मतलब हमें लास्ट टू डिजिट्स को डिवाइड करके चेक करना पड़ेगा. इफ द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 4 और आर 0 0. शायरा नेक्स्ट टाइम आप मेरे क्लास में ऐसा करो, मैं आपको बिल्कुल क्लास में अलाउ नहीं करूँ.
Okay, sir.
So don't repeat this again. So divisibility rule of 4 is if the last two digits, let me write it. Divisibility rule of 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4 or are 0 0. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 6? Shania?
If the number it can be if the number is divisible of both 2 and 3, it is
Very good. If the
divisible.
number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Next, Devam divisibility rule of 8. Devam divisibility rule of 8.
Yes, sir.
What is the divisibility rule of 8?
If the last number
Wrong,
is
wrong,
divisible,
wrong. You will repeat 5 times. WJ, what is the divisibility rule of 8?
sir, if the because I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know. So you also will repeat 5 times. Next, veggie, your chance. Veggie, I eat. No. I mean sweet chance.
If the last three numbers are 0.
If the last 3 digits are
0.
no, if the last 3 digits are divisible
Divisible by 8
by
or
8
are
or
0.
are 0 0 0. तो देवम 5 times repeat करो. देवम and WJ 5 times repeat करो.
If the last three digits are divisibly
Divisible,
are
divisible.
divisible by 8 or are 0 0 0. If the last three digits are divisible by 8 or are 0 0 0. If the last three digits are divisible by 8 or are 0 0 0. If the last three digits are divisible by 8 or are 0 0 0. If the
Okay.
last three
So
digits are
again
divisible.
WJ, no, not WJ, Devam divisibility rule of 9. Devam divisibility rule of 9.
If the last four digits are divisible by 9 or are
No,
0 0 0 0.
कुछ भी मत बोलो भाई.
Sir, can Airtel?
Says 2 only.
No.
Sir, instead of 2, you wrote 2 of divisibility rule of 9.
Yeah.
Yes, beta, just 2 minutes पहले बोला. WJ.
Oh, if the last two digits are divisible by 9 or
Beta,
are 0.
don't speak the wrong rule.
Yeah, I do.
So then I will give the chance to Meera.
If the sum of the digit is
If the
divisible
sum of the digits is divisible by 9. One second, guys, excuse me. WJ, speak 5 times.
Sir,
Yes.
divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. If the sum
Sir?
of the divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits is
Sir, you have
divisible
written divisibility tool of 9.
Wait, 2 हो गया. Sorry. Okay, so yes, Suvira, veggie, I eat sweets, you eat, you have whatever it your name is. Yes, sweet guy. What were you saying? कि आपके कजन्स क्या कर रहे हैं?
सर मेरे कजन नहीं है।
कौन है कजन आपकी?
आर्या। अब सर अभियान की भाई।
ओए ओए, ये तो आयरा है।
आर्या।
आर्या है, ओके। If the last two digits are divisible by 4 or are 00 is the divisibility rule of 4. चलो guys, hope we understood. बाकी सब लोग बच्चे घर पे रिवाइज करना, ठीक है? These are very 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 important. मुझे नेक्स्ट क्लास तक मेमोराइज चाहिए सारे, ठीक है? अगर आपके अभी हो गए हैं वेरी गुड, नहीं हुए तो नेक्स्ट क्लास तक मुझे पक्का पक्का मेमोराइज चाहिए. डू वी अंडरस्टैंड? ठीक है किड्स? एंड शायरा, पे अटेंशन
Sir,
इन द क्लास. यस.
so the divisibility rule of 5 is if the digits are 5 or 0, right?
Yes.
Don't leave.
If the
And
last
sir,
digit
10
is 5
क्या
or
होगा?
0,
10 का.
10 का last digit is 0.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So today we will understand why we learned the divisibility rules. So divisibility rules are important for finding the factors. For example, today I will start with small numbers. So if I ask you find the factors of 24, तो factors क्या होते हैं? So those numbers in whose table 24 comes. तो जो भी numbers के table में 24 आएगा, they are the factors of 24. What are factors? अगर किसी के 24 के नंबर जिस भी टेबल में 24 आएगा, those are the factors. I'll start with a more smaller number, 12. अब 12 किसके टेबल में आता है? 1 के. 1 के तो ऑब्वियसली आएगा ही टेबल में, बिकॉज 1 12s are 12. देन शनाया, और किसके टेबल में आता है 12?
3
3. ओके.
and 4.
2 also. देन एयर, आफ्टर 3 और किसके टेबल में आता है 12? हाय आयरा, आर्या.
Yes, sir.
यस एयर,
Sir,
टेल मी.
12 और के टेबल में आता है. Sir, 4.
4. तो कुकी, और बताओ जिसके टेबल में 12 आता हो.
So,
टाइम अप. कब के?
in the table of 12.
ओके, इन द टेबल ऑफ 12. तो कब? 6. So these are all the factors of 12. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि write the factors of 12, so you have to write all the numbers जिनके टेबल में 12 आता हो. So can I give you a easy peasy question? Write all the factors of 10. चलो. In the chat. 1 minute, 1 minute 20 seconds.
Sir, because of the wind, because the wind is really fast, and so I'm getting disconnected again and again. So what are we doing right now? We got disconnected.
Beta, we are
Sir,
writing
what is
the
this black?
factors. फैक्टर्स कौन से नंबर होते हैं? जैसे मुझे 12 के फैक्टर्स लिखने थे, ऑल द नंबर्स जिनके टेबल में 12 आता है वो 12 के फैक्टर्स हो गए. सिमिलरली आई हैव आस्क्ड टू राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 10, तो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा, दैट वाज जस्ट अ वार्म अप क्वेश्चन. तो आई हैव टू राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 10. So I will ask from Smiley. So beta, tell me the factors of 10, Smiley.
Sir, I don't know.
बेटा किन नंबर्स के टेबल में 10 आता है? वैम्पायर कैमरॉन.
Sir, 1, 2,
बेटा धीरे धीरे. 1, then 2, then
5,
5, then 10.
Sir, I have to go.
So okay, so these are all the factors of 10. These are all the factors of 10. Understood? Yes or no? So next 15, write all the factors of 15. शनाया बेटा कंसंट्रेट ऑन द क्वेश्चन. अगर आपको नहीं समझ आया मुझसे पूछो.
Okay, sir. Sir, but how are in tens table, how are these numbers coming? But in tens tables, these don't come. Sit
बेटा
in tens
हमें
table.
10 का टेबल नहीं लिखना. हमें वो नंबर्स बताने हैं जिसके टेबल में 10 आता है. तो 1 के टेबल में 10 आता है, 1 10s are 10. 2 के टेबल में 10 आता है, 2 5s are 10. 5 के टेबल में 10 आता है, 5 2s are 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 के टेबल में 10 आता है. ठीक है, तो आपको ऐसे नंबर्स बताने हैं जिसके टेबल में 15 आता है.
Sir, can you give this 30 more seconds?
ओके.
Yes, sir.
Here, but you 1 means आपने 1 फैक्टर मिस कर दिया. 2 means आपने 2 फैक्टर मिस कर दिए. WJ has gone to school.
Sir, I have sent, ma'am didn't check.
मैम हैज नॉट चेक. स्वीट गाय मैम ने चेक कर दिया. ये 1 लिखा है ना, इट मींस यू मिस्ड 1 फैक्टर.
Sir,
वेट यार, वेट. वैम्पायर मिस 2 फैक्टर्स. माय गुडनेस. चलो वैम्पायर्स फैक्टर्स बताओ मुझे.
Sir, 1 was 3 and then 5.
बेटा 1 is a factor of every number, so always we have to start with 1. Then 3 5s are 15, तो 3 होगा. 5 3s are 15, तो 5 भी होगा. And 15. So guys, remember 1 is a factor of every number and the biggest factor of the number is the number. The biggest factor of the number is the number.
I did not write
शनाया
the
समझ आ
biggest
गया?
factor. Sir, I only did not write the biggest factor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 24, write all the factors of 24.
Rajni ma'am, can you check?
लाइट बंद करो रोशनी हो सकता
Sir, can you give 1 more minute? Acha, you have given.
Sir, I have sent my answer again.
Sir, I have sent another number. Can you check?
मैं फोन देख लूं इससे ज्यादा आंसर
Sir, can this be a kids question?
Wait, beta, if no one gives correct or only one or two kids get it correct, then yes, it will be.
Meaning, Veggie and I will get a kick.
Sir, my ma'am can check my one.
Sir, mine too.
It takes time to check the
Ma'am,
factors.
can you check vampires?
Ma'am, can you check ears?
Wait, beta, ma'am is checking.
Okay.
Sir, ma'am has not checked mine.
Sir,
Ma'am is
same.
checking. Ma'am is checking. So guys, मैं explain करता हूँ. I will talk to
Check
Sudhi.
what?
Sudhi ji,
Yes,
देखो,
sir.
and everyone.
Kiddo.
I will tell you the one is a
Can this be
factor
a
of
kiddo question?
बेटा सी स्वीट गाय बेटा मैं प्लीज पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना तब बीच में नहीं बोला करो इट डिस्टर्ब्स मी अ लॉट है ना यू हैव टू वेट you have to keep patience and so see one is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself तो 1 और 24 तो हमेशा होंगे ही होंगे ये क्लियर है सबको
Yeah, man.
अब स्वीट्स ओए स्वीट गाय लुक हियर ओए डोंट गो एनीवेयर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग द क्वेश्चन नाउ गाइस इवन नंबर होता है तो वी हैव स्टडीड द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स अब डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स काम आएंगे ये इवन नंबर है तो 2 से डिविजिबल होगा ही होगा बट देर इज अ ट्रिक नाउ द ट्रिक इज अगर आपको 2 मिल जाए टू गेट द अदर फैक्टर वी हैव टू डिवाइड व्हाट 24 डिवाइड बाय 2 तो मैं 24 को 2 से डिवाइड करूंगा आई विल गेट 12 सो मुझे 24 मिला तो साथ में मुझे एक और फैक्टर मिलेगा 12 देन 3 8 24 अगर आपको बड़ा नंबर हो देन ऑल्सो यू कैन ऐड द डिजिट्स 2 + 4 6 तो इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 ऑल्सो मैं 24 को 3 से डिवाइड करूंगा आई विल गेट वन मोर फैक्टर विच इज 8 I got another factor as 3 and 8 then 24 is divisible by 4 then I will divide 24 with 4 to get one more factor that is 6 I will get 4 and 6 also so one of my students like some years back many years back called this method rainbow method because आपको हर फैक्टर के साथ एक और फैक्टर फ्री मिलेगा 2 के साथ 12 फ्री मिलेगा 3 के साथ we will get 8 free and 4 के साथ I will get 6 free so because I get from one factor I get how many factors
Wow.
2 so from one factor I get one free have you heard 1 + 1 free have you heard the scheme
Yes, sir.
so beta from every one factor I will get another factor free this is a free offer so we will find the factors of 30 के फाइंड करते हैं So you guys need 2.5 minutes. Will be sufficient.
Sir, can you give 3 minutes?
Beta, agar lagega time, I will give you 3 minutes also. But at least try to do it in 2.5 minutes.
Sir.
चलो मैं 3 minutes दे देता हूँ. Fine. So cupcake, which will be the first factor?
What? Can I tell all?
No, beta, just the first factor batao cupcake. Yes.
E.
नहीं बेटा, we always start with 1. 1 is a factor of every number. और 1 के साथ free क्या मिलेगा बताओ?
So 30.
30. Because 30 divided by 1 is 30. So I got free factor of 30. Then I will ask from Sudhi, what will be the second factor?
3.
Beta, is 30 an even number or an odd number? Yeah?
Even.
Even. So all even numbers are divisible by 2. तो 2 के साथ free कौन सा मिलेगा factor? Sudhi, कैसे पता चलेगा which factor we'll get free from?
By dividing.
By dividing. 30 divided by 2. What is 30
Yes.
divided by 2? It is 15. So I got another factor. Now you guys do it. 1 minute is remaining.
Sir, I'm done.
Already done. How can sweet guy miss one factor? And veggie got all correct.
Yes.
Maybe that veggie you are eating, lot of veggies. That's why you got it correct. And sweet guy is eating lot of sweets.
No, sir.
I'm eating 2 sweets right now.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Yes.
I ate sweet guy's brain because my name is Sweet Eater.
Oh my goodness. That's why
You
sweet guy is
don't eat
making.
sweets, you eat veggies. So make your name Veggie Eater because your name is Veggie.
Here, how can you miss three factors?
My name should be Sweet Eater because I eat a lot of sweets.
So smiley, ballerina,
Giving answer.
cupcake, and vampire.
Can those 2 questions be a kids question?
So let me see how many kids get it right. Cupcake.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, my cousin is troubling me.
So I can see you also beating her. You are also troubling her.
Sir, she just closed the door.
Trying to send, but it is not send.
So smiley and vampire. Where is my answer? Devam, unmute and speak your answer.
Mute करा हुआ है.
Devam, speak your answer. Yes, Devam. Bitam, I am talking to you. Devam, where is my answer?
Yes, sir.
आपने सॉल्व नहीं किया? चलो ठीक है, आज आप ओवर टाइम करोगे. Don't worry, I will give you overtime today. Today you and Shaira are going to do overtime. Yes. And Smiley, where is my answer?
Sir, can this be a kid joke?
Miley, can you speak the answer?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30.
Okay, 1, 2. So I will get 3. 3 के साथ मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फैक्टर क्या मिलेगा? I will divide 30 with 3 to get 10.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, I
I
forgot
will
one
get
because
5. 5 के साथ मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फैक्टर मिलेगा 6. So you can
Yes, sir.
see that I have made a virtual rainbow. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So Sudhi, mistake समझ आ गई? Sudhi and Air.
Sir, I still didn't understand the concept how to divide it because I'm doing it like how to do it
Sir,
like one
I
something
forgot
तो
my
सनाया
mistake.
देखो हमें जैसे 3 मिला फैक्टर, आपने बोला था 33 के टेबल में आ, तो आप 30 डिवाइड बाय 3 करो. 30 डिवाइड बाय 3 करोगे तो 10 आ जाएगा. देन हमें डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 5 पता है कि लास्ट डिजिट 0 होनी चाहिए. देन बेटा प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब. Then ma'am please mute if anyone is talking in between. So 30 को divide by 5 करोगे तो I will get 6. तो हमें divide करना है बेटा so that we don't miss on factors.
Yes.
So guys मैं एक question because Devam was not paying attention, so I have to give one more question for to everyone. So Devam, will you pay attention this time?
Yes, sir.
32. अगर आपको फिर भी नहीं आया तो सब आपको मैं अलग से रोकूंगा इस क्वेश्चन के बाद. And you too, Shaira. So that is my reward for not paying attention. Devam, unmute कर लो बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Start doing the question. Keep on unmute.
sir, she is gone.
So cupcake, 4 answers. Oh sweet guy. So you all can, thanks Cookie and Vampire for the overtime. We all are doing overtime.
Sir, I have sent to Ragini ma'am.
Ragini ma'am is checking.
Oh,
Devam, what is the first factor?
Ragini
I
ma'am,
sent
please
it to Ragni ma'am by mistake.
You already sent now?
Sir, why did Ragni ma'am put a cross?
बेटा आपने गलत फैक्टर दिया होगा कोई.
Because you wrote all wrong.
No, maybe one factor is wrong, so she gave across.
And I get a kid, so I have given all the questions right answer.
Yes, ma'am. Please give one kidzo to veggie and kiwi because they got the last few questions correct. Not for this question, but for the last 2-3 questions.
Sir, you said when we do new things, you won't get kidzos.
But this is like I gave you few questions.
Sir, can you give air also kid so?
Okay. So now I will talk to Sudhi, Sweet Guy, and Vampire. Vampire, which is the first factor?
Sir, 30 equals to 1, 2, 4 and 5.
30 equals to 1, 2, 4 and 5. बेटा ये 30 लिखा भी है और equals to नहीं है, factors बोलने हैं हमें. So you were not paying attention, Vampire. Clearly, you will stay back for one more question. So first, 1 is a factor of all numbers. So I will write 1 and 32. Shania and Sweet Guy, आपने लिखा था?
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
second factor कौन सा है? Shania.
3.
बेटा again आपने miss कर दिया. 32 is even. So 2 will be a factor. है ना?
Yes.
So 2 will be a factor. Then I will divide 32 with 2 to get 16. Then बेटा next आपने कौन सा बोला मुझे?
Since I said 3.
3 बेटा. तो 3 के टेबल में 32 नहीं आता, ये मिस्टेक है. 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33. और हम डिविजिबिलिटी रूल से चेक करें, 3 + 2 तो 5 होता है. तो 5 does not come in the table of 3. Okay, this is your mistake. Devam, we have to
Yes.
check numbers जिसके टेबल में 32 आता हो. Then I will check with 4. तो Shania, will 4 be a factor?
Sir, 4 will not be a factor.
Beta, of course, 4 8s are 32. So 4 also will be a factor. And 4 8s are 32. So 8 will also be a factor. देखो एक के साथ एक free, 1 + 1. Then 5 is not a factor. 6 is not a factor. अब इसके बाद तो 8 आ गया मेरे पास. 7 is also not a factor. 8 आ गया, then there is no need to check more. Because my factors have started repeating. Understood, kids?
Yes, sir.
So I will tell you, Sudhi, you will stay back. Vampire, you will stay back. And Share, you will stay back because you were not paying attention. 3 kids will stay back. Rest can leave, guys.
Why me and Kiwi didn't get a kidzo?
Ma'am will give better to you and Kiwi. It will be 26. Okay.
Yes.
Sudhi, आप stay back करो. Vampire, आप
12 extra. Sir, I also written 12 by mistake.
yes. But I just
Sir,
want
Rest was all right.
Vampire and Sudhi and Cookie to stay back. These 3 kids will stay back.
Bye, sir. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
sir, can
Bye,
you
sweets.
tell Ragini ma'am to give one kid to air also?
No, no, beta, no. They have earned it.
Sir, but I have also
So
got this
next,
question right.
beta, it's okay. They got, last few questions correct. So I gave it to them for
Okay, sir.
concentrating well in the class. So guys, write the factors of 40.
Factor of 40. Say, don't mind. There's a little bit of cooking happening in my house, so there's that
It's okay.
noise.
It's okay. I don't mind. स्टार्ट डूइंग वैम्पायर. आप लिखना शुरू करो ना. सबसे पहले 1 और 40 लिख दो जल्दी से. बेटा योर हैंड शुड स्टार्ट मूविंग. आपके पास पेंसिल है? शो मी योर नोटबुक. आपने ओपन ही नहीं करी नोटबुक. दैट मीन्स वन मोर क्वेश्चन. बेटा नो, नॉट लाइक दिस देवम. Devam, beta, I want to see your notebook and pen.
Sure, sir. Sir, my pencil.
Where is your notebook? I want to see your notebook also. Start writing. ये rough copy है? Start
Yes, sir.
writing. Start writing. Today you did not use it, Devam.
Sir, it's dark in here. I turned off the lights because there was fluctuation.
You are not listening to me. Have you started writing?
Sir,
The pencil should always be in your hands. Start writing. On your right hand, beta, you are a right handy. Show me your
yes,
open
sir.
notebook. Open notebook दिखाओ मुझे. Notebook
First, I
open
should
करके
solve
दिखाओ
the
बेटा.
sums.
So Shaira, hopefully it will not happen again.
Yes, sir.
Devam, show me your notebook, please.
Sir, I've written 5 of them.
मुझे दिखा दो बेटा. Let me see.
Sir, I'm writing in the chat.
No, I want you to write in your notebook. I have all the time in the world. It's up to you how much more time you want to do the class for. Since you have not replied, I will give you extra question. So,
Sir, I've replied.
1 and 40. 1 and 40 are complementary. Then 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then 3 is not a factor. 4 is a factor. 40 divided by 4 is 10. And 5, 40 divided by 5, you get 8. So, Shaira, which factor did you miss?
Sir.
या अनम्यूट करके बोलो बेटा. ऐसे म्यूट अनम्यूट गेम नहीं, एकदम से नहीं करो.
Sir, 2
2
and 20. I have sent 20, ma'am, earlier also.
बेटा 2 and 20 ना.
Yes,
तो
sir.
अगर आप इवन नंबर है तो 2 तो फैक्टर होगा ही होगा. So it's quite obvious. Shanaya, which factors did you miss?
Miss 20 and 8.
8. बेटा आपने 40 डिवाइड बाय 5 नहीं किया एंड 40 डिवाइड बाय 2 नहीं किया. तो हमें डिवीजन करना पड़ता है फैक्टर्स में, बिकॉज 2 के साथ हमें 20 फ्री मिलेगा, 5 के साथ 8 फ्री मिलेगा.
So if the number first, when we will put 40 divided by 1, so when we divide it,
बेटा
it
40
will
डिवाइड बाय 1 करने की जरूरत इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि 1 और 40 तो होंगे ही होंगे, वो तो ओरल है ना. तो ये डिवाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू कि ऐसे वर्क करता है. तो 1 और 40 तो पहले ही लिख दो आप. आई विल गिव यू गाइज वन मोर क्वेश्चन. हैव आई गिवन 32? सो आई विल गिव 36 नाउ. सो देवम, मुझे आपकी नोटबुक देखनी है. नोटबुक देखनी है मुझे, आपसे चैट में नहीं चाहिए. हिंदी समझ रहे हो? And you have
Okay,
got
sir.
my attention, Devam. Congratulations.
Sir, you can even ask me Spanish.
I want to ask you in Hindi and English and Punjabi. Maybe in French I will ask you, not Spanish. So Sudhi and Shaira, अगर आपको बेटा कुछ और वर्क हो, you guys can leave.
Sir, I have not done in class in
Better then you
10th.
can leave, Shanaya. Bye. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye, Shanaya. Bye bye. Shaira, if you have any other work, you also can leave. Vampire is my prized possession today. वैम्पायर, अगर अगली बार मुझे ऐसा हुआ कि आपके पास नोटबुक नहीं है, तो फिर पता है क्या होगा? मैं आपको 1 आवर की एक्स्ट्रा क्लास कराऊं और आपने पे अटेंशन नहीं किया, देन either of any, so you will do 1 hour extra class. Do we understand, vampire? Do we understand each other?
Yes.
So yes, vampire. First factor कौन सा लिखा आपने? मुझे स्पीक करो.
Sir, 36 is all 1.
1 and 36 है ना? ये दोनों लिखे कि नहीं लिखा? 36 नहीं लिखा था.
36 also I've written.
Okay, then second factor.
Sir, second factor it can be 2.
It can be 2. Then 2 के साथ क्या free मिलेगा? What will I get free with 2?
Sir, that's what I'm calculating. Sir, 18.
18. Then what will be the next factor?
Sir, the next factor is 3.
3. And what will I get free with 3?
Sir, 12.
12. What will be the next factor?
It can't be 4. Sir, it can be 4.
4. And what will you get free with 4?
9.
9. Then what will be the next factor?
Sir, it will not be 5. Then let's move on to the next one. Sir, it can be in 6.
It will be 6 because 6 6 are 36. Now because 6 is a perfect square. Perfect square means 6 6 are 36. So 6 के साथ हमें कुछ भी free नहीं मिलेगा. So got
we
it,
will not.
share. No, just 6 will be only 6. So got it, share and vampire.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hope we
6 will
both.
also be part of 36, right?
Yeah, 6 will be there, but only 1 6 6 एक ही बार लिखना है, 2 times नहीं लिखना. So we understood Shaira and vampire. So next class I hope आप लोग ऐसा concentration में जो mistake आज आपने किया वो नहीं करोगे. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Vampire,
Yes,
do we
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.